In this video, I'm also going to share some special recipes for you to reduce your blood sugar without any effort and even lose weight just with chayote. No joke. Are you curious? Then stay tuned. Try to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications and get more content like this. I am Dr. Anna Maria Ceverini and you are on Dr. Anna Maria Tips. All the information I share here with you is based on scientific articles and is in the literature. I will always leave the sources I researched for you here in the video description. Let me ask you something. Do you know what your blood sugar is currently? You know what glycemia is, right? That is your blood sugar level. Leave that here in the comments and I'll respond later. Ideal blood sugar values. The researchers conducted some preclinical tests at the University of San Francisco, and these researchers distributed cups containing a solution. It is taken from chayote. Are you prepared? Based on the research, here is the conclusion up front. The substance was administered to both individuals and the professional team conducting the study, allowing everyone to confirm chayote's diuretic properties. In this study, all participants acknowledged these findings. They saw that it really is a herbal food, which is capable of lowering blood pressure and blood sugar right away. It has a low glycemic index and is also a source of fiber that helps keep blood sugar levels under control. That is why it is recommended for those who have diabetes or pre-diabetes. Now the question that remains is, how much chayote do you consume to benefit from all these qualities? A nibble per day is enough to maintain your health, and you benefit from all these advantages to reduce blood sugar and hypertension, according to the studies I mentioned. You can prepare yourself with a chayote juice. That's right, I did. It's surprisingly tasty. The recipe is very simple. You will need 3 fresh chayotes, preferably from the garden, from the neighbor, or from an empty lot. But if you can't find them, buy them from the market itself. Don't strain. It's good to use the fibers well. You will clean the chayote, remove the inner part of the chayote with a cup of water. You will drink this every day. It can be on an empty stomach or at a certain time of the day that works well. At all times, you will rely on the benefit of reducing your blood sugar and also lowering your blood pressure. Now, if you want to slim down or lose weight, make chayote juice with lemon as well. It's another very delicious recipe. It has properties that help the body to slim down, eliminate toxins, improve blood function, and also eliminate gas, right? It also helps with intestinal transit. That's why it's very easy to make this juice, and it's very effective. A chayote can be of normal size. You will take this chayote and you will take a strange lemon to make lemon juice. It can be Tahiti lemon, Sicilian, or Galician, okay? You will also take 200 milliliters of water. You put it in the ice blender and blend everything. You can take it on an empty stomach. The benefit of juice compared to cooking chayote is that in its natural form, you consume more vitamins fully. And when cooked, you lose these properties. This is very important for the immune system because it fights against free radicals and acts prematurely. You should not use chayote. Only people who don't like it, because it is suitable for everyone, unless you are allergic to chayote, which I find very difficult. For you who stayed with me until the end. Remember when I asked you earlier what your blood sugar was? Then you replied, oh, fasting.
The normal state is from 70 to 100 milligrams per liter, okay? In other words, that small value you are used to, from 70 to 100 for prediabetes, is from 100 to 125 milliliters per liter, and 126 milliliters per liter is considered diabetic. Thank you for staying until the end of our video. A big hug and see you next time.